First and foremost, I want to be upfront. Yes, I do own some amount of Dogecoin, and I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you to invest. You should seek expert advice before you put your hard-earned dollars into anything. I'm in a very fortunate position where I was able to just throw a little bit of money at a meme, but that's all. I'm not expecting a return. I'm not promising one. There, okay? Now, Dogecoin, what is it? Well, it's a cryptocurrency that was invented by software engineer Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It was, in fact, a meme coin created back in December of 2013. It's not anything new. It's, 8 years old now? And Dogecoin was to create a payment system that is instant, fun, and free from traditional banking fees. To do this, the coin featured the friendly face of Shiba Inu dog from the popular Doge meme as a logo. How did we get here? Why is everybody talking about it? It's difficult to know. I think it's a combination of just meme magic that is very powerful, as well as I think there are some bots. It feels like there are bots. I'm not sure. You know, it's been a wild week. This via Decerto, what is Dogecoin, the influencer-backed meme cryptocurrency dominating social media. In fact, it was, I think, the biggest trending thing this morning on Twitter. It's almost like people are trying to will it. The big meme is Doge to $1, Dogecoin to $1. You know, because people were buying in at fractions of a penny. So if it ever reached $1, it would turn regular day memesters into 100,000-aires or even millionaires in some cases. In an unprecedented start to the year, GameStop's shares skyrocketed through a coordinated push from meme-loving Redditors, which led trading apps restricting trading on the company to protect Wall Street. With this crackdown came another rise, another meme, Dogecoin. The phenomenon behind these movements is that social media users, many of whom are not serious traders at all, which would qualify me, got behind the common cause to fight against traditional institutions. The majority are in it for the collective meme rather than the potential financial upside, something we've never seen before at this scale. As with all things on social media, things move fast with GameStop meme that looked to push its stock price, quote, to the moon from valuing of $4 to $492 in just a year. The brokers deciding to interject to protect hedge funds. A lot has happened. Decerto's covered this as well. With the capability of this meme traders in flux, albeit for an unknown amount of time, probably till people get bored next week sometime, a lot of social media users are being ushered towards the next meme by influencers, Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke and is now on the rise. But what exactly is it and why is it on the up? Well, we can see CNBC already covering it. Reddit frenzy pumps up Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency started as a joke, by over 800%. Admittedly, I bought in at like 3 cents last night, and it almost immediately went up to 8 cents. I almost tripled my money, and then this morning it came back down. So there's no guarantees in this type of thing. Dogecoin, a digital coin originally founded as a joke, over 800%. Of course, its resurgence in the last few days has been due to enthusiasm from Reddit group called Satoshi Street Bets. Elon Musk tweeted out a picture of a magazine cover of Doge, a play on the popular Doge, a play on the popular fashion magazine Vogue. It shows a picture of a dog with the same Reddit users took as the billionaires supporting the rally. The price of Dogecoin stood at 0.07 or at 7 cents around 12 p.m. midnight. Singapore up over 800% from 24 hours ago, according to CoinGecko. It's not far off from its 24-hour high of 77.2 cents. Of course, while it's taken a backseat to larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether in recent years, its resurgence in the last few days have been down to the enthusiasm from a Reddit group called Satoshi Street Bets, like Wall Street Bets, behind the GameStop rally. Satoshi is the name of the mysterious founder of the group of people who developed Bitcoin. On Thursday, one poster named Doge as a crypto GME. GameStop. GameStop stock ticker for GameStop. Another post suggested taking Doge to $1 a coin. The cryptocurrency has never been at $1. In 2013, where it began around 10 thousandths of a penny. As the price of Dogecoin rocketed, there have been some big dips in price over the past few hours. Reddit users on the board are encouraging people not to sell and keep pushing. That's right, hold the line. Elon Musk, the Tesla founder who previously tweeted about the stocks before it sent them rising, has tweeted about Dogecoin in the past and indicated in April 2019 that it was his favorite cryptocurrency. On Thursday, of course, the Doge magazine, one Reddit user wrote, "Mr. Musk is with us to the moon." Short sellers borrow shares to sell them in order to buy them back at lower prices in future and can pocket the profit. Geez, can I read? But there's no such shorting a dynamic from hedge funds at play with Dogecoin. Instead, it appears a group of people are just trying to push a cryptocurrency higher to make money. One of the early posts in Satoshi Street Bets said, "Let's make Dogecoin a thing." That's it. That's the post. Such activity is not new in the crypto space and has been going on for several years. Well, interestingly, if we look at it, yesterday it peaked at almost 7 cents, just over 7 cents. And today it has dropped back down to 5 cents, but it is still leagues above where it had been. I mean, just looking at this insane, this is 0.002, 2/100th of a penny. When it goes up to 8 cents, there were probably at least a millionaire made yesterday, maybe more. With no cap on the supply of crypto, Dogecoin is an interesting case. Conceived as a joke between software engineers Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus, as a means of parroting the rise of altcoins, the currency is being legitimized through the sudden uptake. Dogecoin, despite being a meme, actually has a function. It can be used to tip people on social media as a means of rewarding them for creating interesting content. It's based on other cryptocurrencies, namely Litecoin and LuckyCoin, but the ethos behind it is now being more accessible, less controversial digital currency. It features the famous meme, which rose to prominence in 2013, which was based on a photo of the Shiba Inu dog taken by its unsuspecting innocent owner. Why is it going up? Well, of course, everybody's talking about it. And its barrier to entry is attractive. I mean, at just pennies, $1,000 will buy you a ton of shares. Then if those shares go up a penny or two, you feel pretty good. Even $100. A while ago, or a friend of the channel, Sophia Narwitz, tweeted last night, her $100 just turned into $1,000. So it's one of those meme investments. It makes you feel like you're part of something, and that's why it's rising up. I mean, ultimately, the stock today is down a little bit, but it's still holding. I have last night I bought, I think, 100,000 shares, just under 100,000 shares. Watched it triple in value. So I extracted some profits and then reinvested at the dip. And it's only gone down since. So, I mean, Dogecoin is obviously a long-term meme play that relies on the memesters of the world. But it's a low-risk, high-reward type thing. Reddit and Twitter users have set an arbitrary goal for the crypto to hit the value of $1 per coin at the time. It's risen astronomically in the last 24 hours. However, this only values it at just under 7 cents. The likes of longtime gamer FaZe Banks and YouTuber Karina Koff have also gotten behind the meme-inspired crypto. And if social media users have proven anything in the past few days, it can't be underestimated. Dogecoin to the moon. I mean, if there was a huge backing for Dogecoin, like with GME, it would go up. And it would make a lot of people a lot of money. But you never know. As with anything, there's always a ton of risk in this type of thing. But I'm on the Dogecoin train. I'm not an investor. I'm a memester. I think you should do what you want with your money. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you again real soon.